Okay, we've got our eyes are set. So what we're going to do now is hook up the mouth. Make sure our mouth is still working good, because once you paint it, you might have it catching on the sides. You might have to sand it down a little bit. So we're going to hook the mouth up, make sure the mouth works. Going to take a pencil and mark the teeth in here. That just helps to define it. So now we're going to take our string. We're going to tie our string on. Tighten this down, and then what I do is I put a staple in here to keep it from coming unraveled on you. That'll hold that in there. So now we'll hook up the mouth. Oops, we need to pick our spring up. Okay, so now we got our string and our spring on. Make sure I don't think it's going to catch. Okay. I'm also going to take some Johnson paste wax. And we're going to put some paste wax on the side here. And also on the inside of the mouth. This is just to help it slide. And later on, for normal maintenance, you could use a Q-tip. Just cut the tip down and stick the tip in there and try it. Line up our holes and screw the mouth back on. Okay. we're all right with that. We'll go up and over top of this. We'll also put a little bit of wax on this to help it to slide better. Yeah, it's catching a little bit on this side, so we need to make a little adjustment there. You want to make sure you got your mouth and everything working properly before you seal it all up and put your wig on, because then you end up having to tear it all apart to get back in there. To adjust it right in here a little bit. I think I need to move this over a little bit. That was catching a little bit on there. And then we got our little mark right here. Okay, now let's check it. That's better. But this is a very important step. You want to make sure it's all working correct before you put the back of that head and a wig on, because you don't want to have to make adjustments afterwards. We might be okay now. Better, much better. Might have to adjust just a little more on that. So we'll get that done, and then we'll be back. We'll be ready to put the back of the head on and our wig, and we'll be done. Thanks for watching.